So as I was talking about in the article, I wanted to show you how easy it is in QuickBooks to switch between cash and accrual basis reports. And this is pretty important to know because it shows you different things. So what I'm going to do here in this sample company is I'm going to go to reports. I'm going to pull up a profit and loss standard, and we're going to set this to last fiscal year. And I'm going to collapse this up here just to make it a little more readable. And so you'll see here we have a profit and loss statement, and it says over here in the upper left-hand corner, accrual basis. And you'll notice up here you can switch between the two. Okay, so what I want you to notice is on the accrual basis, which means revenue includes any invoices that you have sent to customers. The accrual basis income is $169,000, and the profit is a little over $25,000. So let's see what happens when we switch to cash. Okay, now you can see this went up to $195,600, and this went up to close to $48,000. So remember, the cash basis includes money in and money out as expenses. And so you can see there's a big difference between the two, and a lot of times people get confused between what is accrual and what is cash, and why do these show different amounts. But the good thing is in QuickBooks, when you keep your books, you can switch the reports between accrual and cash and see what the differences are.